Okay guys, let's go ahead and talk about predicting products for chemical reactions. And what this means is if I give you the reactants, can you give me the products? Because you already know which type of reaction it will be. Now, synthesis reactions. You simply write a formula for the two reactants coming together. Another way to think about it is for a synthesis reaction, you're always going to have two single elements by themselves. So here we have sodium and chlorine. What I would like you to do is pause the video and write what this product would be. And remember to correctly do your formula. Correctly write your formula. Okay, you should have written NaCl. Now, pretend that this was calcium. Remember that calcium has a 2 plus charge? So to write, if you had Ca plus Cl, the products would be CaCl2, and then you would go back and balance it to make it a balanced equation. For decomposition reactions, all you have to do is write the separate elements that had originally made up the compound. And for decomposition, remember, you're always going to have one reactant. So if you have one reactant, you know it's going to decompose. Here's our decomposition reactant. Go ahead and pause the video and write what you think it will turn into. Now, let's look at what it should be. It should produce a sodium, and then it should produce a nitrogen by itself. And remember, when nitrogen by itself, it's in the form of N2. There's always two of them together because it's one of our diatomic molecules. So, now, always forget the numbers that are on the reactant side. You do not say Na plus N3 because there's 3N on the other side. You write it how you would see it on the periodic table or how you know it to be. Then you go back and you would balance it. And let's actually take time right now. Go ahead and practice balancing this equation. Pause the video and come back to see what the answer is. Okay, this is the balanced equation. Check it with yours and write down if you have any questions. Now, single replacement reactions. There are two things that can happen in this. You either have, the first thing is a metal will replace another metal, or it will replace a hydrogen. So either one of these could happen. So let's look at this. You always know you have a single replacement if your reactants have one single element plus a compound. Okay? Now, a hint on this is to write H2O out as HOH, because what it does is it helps you break it apart where the lithium could come in and react. So go ahead and pause the video and write what you think will happen. Okay, as you can see, the H kind of, you had an H break off from H2O. The lithium replaced it, right? This is a metal replacing a hydrogen. And then the H is left by itself, and whenever it's by itself, it's in H2 form. Okay? This again is not balanced, so you would have to balance it after you got the products. Now, another thing that can happen in single replacement reactions is a nonmetal can replace a nonmetal. So look at this single replacement and go ahead and pause the video and predict the products that should be there. Alright, you should have gotten sodium fluoride and bromine by itself. And so when bromine's by itself, it's one of our diatomics, so it's Br2. And then, as you can see, this is not balanced, so you would need to go and balance this equation as well. Now let's look at double replacement reactions. The anions, the negative charges in each compound, will swap places. So look at this. Find the negative charges that were originally negative and have them swap places, and go ahead and predict the products. And pause the video. Okay, you should have come up with potassium bromide and hydrogen cyanide. Oop, that was the end. Now, write down any questions you have so that we can address those in class. And what I would like you to do is, I would like you to summarize. I want you to summarize by doing a tweet. Let's do a tweet summary today. So in 140 characters or less, summarize what this video was about. I hope you have a great evening, and I will see you in class.